The 2010 Dodge Ram Pickup 1500. The Ram 1500 is the most awarded Ram truck ever. Its exterior styling rethinks and outclasses every truck out there. Bred for strength and intelligence, the Ram 1500's towing and cargo hauling capabilities come naturally. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, CD player, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror, speed control, radio data system, four-piece floor mat set. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.